Okay, andito kami ngayon sa Al-Shiba Animal Area. Okay, tingnan nyo yung ano to, parang ostrich na ata to. Ostrich, ay hindi ko alam. Saka yun yung mga kambing. Tapos, eto naman yung mga rabbit. Rabbit naman ang mga tawag. Ito na makikita nyo yung ibang sungay naman ng kambing. Ito. Ayan sila. Oh, ayun yung wala pang sungay. Dito mo, habang naglalakad ako dito ay may hole pa sila. Ito. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ah, ito, ang cute. Natin. Yung mga anak nyo. Ibang klase. Kambing din to eh. Kambing. Oh, iba-ibang kwan. Yung sungay niya ang ganda. Ibang kulay. Ito yung mga anak niya. Ito naman yung ibon. Ito pala yung mga kwan niya. Kwan yan. Okay. Rock hyrax kasi rock crab. It belongs to the elephant family and is a herbivore. Its habitat that is in Africa and the Middle East. It lives in mountainous areas and rocky slopes. Okay. Ito naman yung Dumani gazelle. Dumani gazelle is a mountain gazelles are currently found in the area extending along the Red Sea and the Asir Mountains in Hijaz in Saudi Arabia and southwest Saudi Arabia, and along the coast of Yemen and the country's mountains, as well as the Oman and up to the Emirates. They are herbivorous. This one. This is ito yung mga ibon. The Domani gazelle. Okay, ito naman ay iba na naman yung horn niya, parang pilipit yung horn niya. Where is the pan? Para pang pilipit yung horn. Okay. Ano to? Sun partridge. Sun partridge yun. Parang kwan naman. Parang assorted naman to. Okay. This type of bird lives in drylands, mostly in mountainous lands. It is spread from southern Syria to western Egypt and the Arabian Peninsula. Wow. Okay, another quote na naman. Iba naman to. Ibang horn na naman ang klase nito. The Dolichotti mara. It belongs to the rabbit family and is native to Argentina. It is a herbivore. Okay. Okay, karamihan goat. Ito naman yung Gazelle marica. Gazelle marica. It's kind of goat na naman ito. Okay, it is graceful species of gazelle native to the desert of the Arabian Peninsula. It lives in sun, dune areas and coastal plains and avoids steppe and rocky areas. Ayan yung Gazelle marica. Okay. Thank you.